The other day, I had a buddy over and we were working on a project and he was drilling some countersinks for me. And when I got the piece and I looked at it, his countersinks all were in the shape of a hexagon. Here's the piece you wanted me to countersink for you. Oh, cool. What in the world did you do to this? I don't know. I think there's something wrong with your countersink. Now, I remember encountering this problem way back when I first started working on wood, and the fix for it's actually rather simple. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So instinctually, what you'll do is you'll mark the spot where you want to drill your hole. Then you'll take your drill your hole in there, and then take your countersink and countersink. Let me show you what that looks like. But anyway, here's our mark for our next one. Now, instead of drilling your hole, we're going to start with the countersink. Instead, and the countersink, when you go first, will produce a much more consistent counterbore. You just put it right in there, and off you go. That's all there is to it. I know this is a silly little video, but it's just one of those little tips that kind of changes the way you do things just a little bit. Well, anyway, I hope this tip helped. Have a good one. See you guys later.